How to use Google Earth on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Google Earth on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your App Store. On your App Store, simply search for Google Earth. And after you search for Google Earth, simply download the app. This is the app right here, download it. After you download it, you can then open it up. Make sure that you log in into your account as well after you download it, and then you can tap on explore Earth to start exploring Earth. Now before that, if you want to check out different features here, you can just see your account, your drive, whatever you project you create, the drive will be right here, your local drive here, and not much stuff here. So tap on explore Earth and you'll be presented with the globe of Earth right here. So what you can do after you're here is simply locate where you want to go. So let's just start going someplace. You can just start viewing different places. You can, as you can see right here, there are different layers as well. Tap on this, and you can add layers such as borders and you everything else like labels, places, and roads and stuff like that. You can even create a base map with satellites and just an abstract map from this map option here. You can create additional layers as well and stuff like that. So you can go ahead and check all of that out. And here you can, as I said, just start exploring. And if you ever just get lost on how you can find north, you can simply tap on this compass right here, and it will simply redirect you to north. That is, now the top area is north, and that's basically how you do this. Now if you want to drop somewhere and check different places out, so let's just zoom out a bit, and then just go ahead and search for different places. And let's say that you want to go to Spain and check out their streets, so that is really simple as well. So all you have to do is just go to a place like this, start zooming in, and after you zoom in, you'll see this little man icon right below the compass. Tap on that and just put it on a street anywhere. And after you do that, you should be able to see the street view like this. And that's basically how you do this. And yeah, there's also the 3D option and other stuff like that. And this is the basic of how you can use Google Earth. If you tap on the new button, you can simply create a new project and open maps from your drive. And that's how you use Google Earth on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.